Hey guys, today I changed the sway bar length, and of course you remove the tire, and I've already removed it, installed the new one. As you can see, this is the bad one right up here. As you can see, the right side, passenger side, is pretty simple. You remove these bolts and one back here, and you pretty much remove it. But on this side it's not easy because you can't get nothing up here. It's pretty tight. So what you do is, before you actually remove this top bottom one, you first want to remove this one up here. You remove this one, hammer it out just a tiny bit, and it will come out. Once you loosen this one, you move this one goes down a little bit, and that gives you a little bit of room to work with your drill, and to put it back on there, or even when you want to remove it, if you have a jack it up underneath, or if you have a tower, put a tower up there. Left jack, just put it up there, and then what you got to do is use your lift or your jack to lift this up a little bit so that you can put this in there. Without that, it's going to be impossible for you to do that. It's not easy. It's a lot of pressure on this. You're not going to be able to put this in here. So the same way you've installed it, you put the bottom piece and then jack it up here, move it up a little bit and pull it in. Just go ahead and tighten it up. If you have a torque wrench where it can tell you the torque, if not, just tighten it enough that you don't break nothing. That's about it. And this side is a little bit difficult. I thought I would actually make a video on this side because of this. On the other side, it's pretty easy. You can get your drill in the back and go ahead and remove it. So that's how you do it. This is a 2015 Toyota Prius. All right, thanks.